Look, we're all different. We all have different metabolisms, different health goals, different food restrictions. So I'm going to throw it out there. Anybody here got any specific health goals they're looking to achieve? Guy, what's your name?
Damien?
Damien, what's your health goals?
Man, I need more energy so I can keep up with my kids.
It's a great one. He wants more energy to play with his kids, of course. This is a common. Anybody else? Who we got here?
I want to build more muscle for strength.
More muscle for strength. Anybody else? Another health goal. Let's take another one here. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Sally.
Hi, Sally. What's your health goal?
I'd like to lose like 10 or 15 pounds.
Weight loss. That's the big one, right? For a lot of people, I understand that. Now, this is where it gets really cool, no matter what your goals are. The NutriBullet Balance has the ability to customize your specific nutrition goals. So listen, let's put Sally in balance. I'm going to I'll show you what I mean. You just set up your profile here. I mean, it's so simple. So we've got wellness goals. Now, we already know with Sally, so we've got this. We've got weight loss, so it's happy days. Eating style. So you want high fiber, high fat, whatever. I'm going to go high protein for you. So I'm just going to click on that. So then we move on. And then we go dietary restrictions. Now you go, okay, look. For me, if I'm doing a profile for you, that's what I'm doing, Sally, I'm going dairy-free for you. Or there might be something specific that's not up there, and this is where, again, it gets crazy good. You go, do you know what? I'm just going to exclude an ingredient. Do you know what I mean? You just click on this, and you go, I don't want any smoothies with kiwi in. I don't want that. And then you click in kiwi, right? That's how it is. You click in kiwi. All these recipes now are specifically for your health goals, no matter what they were. So you could have put in anything you wanted, and then it automatically drills down and creates the recipes to put Sally in balance. This is a particular feature that I just love. Here's a recipe. Look, you've got one here. It's called the spinach walnut kickoff. I mean, it looks pretty good, right? Yeah. And that's what it's generated for us straight away. So listen, let's not mess around. Straight away for you, Sally. Let's kick off. Let's make the spinach walnut kickoff. Let's do this. Come on. Here it is, the spinach walnut kickoff. Recipe especially for you and your particular health goals, Sally. Very simple to make. All we do is take the cup off, and then we just click on Go Blend, and then we put the cup. There it is. We know it's connected. And then it's telling us exactly how to make this recipe. No measuring again, no having to think about it. It does all the thinking for you. First thing we're putting in is spinach. So good for you, ridiculously good for you. But if you look, it already tells you as well. If you look at the calories, it tells you how little calories there are. It tells you we already have enough. Goes on to the next thing. Love that. With an avocado, because it's a piece, rather than a measurement, we're going to put the avocado in. There we are. We click on next. And then we get what I consider the piece de resistance. Okay? A bit of mango going in. Okay? It's one of my favorite fruits. It's amazing. And if we look, it's already started to calculate and work out the nutritional values. That's the genius side of the NutriBullet Balance. There it is, and it'll automatically just go on to the next one. Now, here's where you need to be careful. Here's where so many people go wrong when they're making a smoothie, and this is why the NutriBullet Balance does all the thinking for you, so you're not going to make this mistake again. Watch as I start to put the nuts in here. Now, so few nuts, but look at the calories. Take a look at the calories, and then all of a sudden, see those calories go up? So this is incredible, right? You just got to watch out. And then we just add the milk nice and quick. I don't need to measure how much of the almond milk I need to put in. I just know as soon as I hear that sound, there it is. I already know it's enough, and it goes next straight away. I want to make this a little bit protein rich as well. So we're just going to add some protein powder in. There it is, ping, and we're done. There it is. And all we would do is just flip that over and blend that. We now have a perfectly balanced smoothie, specifically for Sally's health needs and goals. That's pretty good, right? Yeah. Pretty smart, to say the least. You can get started by replacing just one meal a day with a perfectly balanced smoothie. It can help you to lose weight, to look and feel better, and even boost your energy levels. You'll feel the difference in just weeks. Sound pretty good? Yeah.